Working on this 2007 Ford Focus, and this is my newest project. This is a friend of mine's car that he was in a front end accident, so it looks like it needs a new hood, grill, headlights, bumper cover maybe. He bought this car new and it has a bunch of miles on it. It has 408,562 miles. So for having so many miles, this car is in really good shape. There's a few little dings and dents, no rust. But he was telling me that he's never put anything major into this car, so it has the original engine, original transmission. Apparently it even has the original coil packs. So I'm going to put a new hood on it for him, new grill, new headlight, and looks like some of the stuff has been shifted around a little bit, so we'll see how well the hood lines up. But I definitely feel like this car deserves to be saved just because it has so many miles on it. My 2009 Chevy Cobalt has 368,000 miles. 368,404 miles. So people that say American cars don't last and only Toyotas and Hondas can go 400,000 or 500,000 miles, I believe that if you have a one owner car and you take care of it yourself or through the dealership, that cars really can go a long time. So we pull this whole hood off and grill, maybe pull the headlights and go from there. I think I'm going to run to the wrecking yard first, and they have a gray car, Ford Focus, that is the exact gray. It's a couple hour drive, so I'm going to head there, grab the hood, get new hinges, the grill, and come back and knock this out real quick. This is only going to be a couple day project, so we'll go from there. This is one of the smaller pick and pulls. I'll see what cars they have for sale today too. I haven't been in this one for quite a while, so hopefully they have some other good inventory. We'll take a look. Nice Mercedes. Wow, the prices are cheaper up in this one. Almost everything is under 2,000. Volvo station wagon, 2007. Chevy Blazer, Subaru. Malibu, Hyundai. Looks like this one was a builder. This is a beautiful interior. Yeah, my buddy needs a lot of parts for his car because it has so many miles on it. Oh, clearly this person had dogs. All right, let me head out with the parts I bought, or I'm getting. And definitely I'm gonna have to come back out here to check out this yard more often. Just got back from the wrecking yard and I have a color matching hood and a new grill. With the hood, I got the hood with the hinges. Pick and pull prices went up a little bit. You used to be able to pick up a hood for about $55 plus a core charge, and now it's in the 70s. So I don't know. Let me pull off this hood real quick and go from there. So the grill, when you put it on, has 2 bolts up top and then it just slips on underneath here. These little clips right there just slips on. All right, well, definitely not lined up correctly. There we go. And that is fixing a grill, a hood, and kind of doing the headlight and a 2007 with $408,562 miles. If you'd like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And now I'm going to get back to Chevy Cobalt content, what I really like working on. I just had to fix my friend's car because it had so many miles on it. It definitely needed to be saved.